Hi and welcome in this new video in which I'm going to show you how to make this little micro tank, the Char B1 bis. And yeah, to spice it up a little bit, I make the tutorial in camo, as you can see in the thumbnail. And yeah, this is a Brickmania design. She did it, and I got permission from Dan Siskin to do tutorials on all these micro tanks. So in a couple of minutes I will start showing you the parts list for this particular build. So probably you want to pause it and check it out for the parts you needed. Little disclaimer, I used, like this one, regular one wide Lego tracks, chain links. I think it's possible to use the Brickmania single wides ones as well, so you might want to try those if you have them. If you don't have them, just use these or buy them, of course. Because this is a nice French tank, I also want to point out two pretty cool French planes that are available as building instructions on omahabricks.com. Both are designed by Spartana, and this one being the Potes 6311. Hope I pronounced it correct. I have no knowledge of aviation names. And this one is the BR691. Also hope that that one is pronounced correct. Well, before you see the part list, I want to ask you to like this video, comment on it. I always like to see the comments. I always try to comment all, react to all comments. And if you like my videos enough, subscribe so you stay up to date when new videos arrive. So let's build this one, and if you want those two, omahabricks.com. Let's go for the parts list. Thanks for watching. If you build it, please share your picture on Instagram and tag me in your post so I can reshare your image. Hope to see you next video. Bye bye.